Hanggang profit and loss lang ba yung report na nakukuha mo? Pansin ko 'to sa maraming businesses na nakausap ko na so far. Ang accounting reports nila, income statement lang. Walang balance sheet, walang cash flow statement, walang updated na depreciation schedule. Ang problema kasi, 'pag nagbo-bookkeep, nagfo-focus lang ang karamihan sa income and expenses. Hindi na monitor yung asset, yung liabilities, at akala ng madami ang income statement at cash flow statement, isa lang. Having a complete set of accounting reports gives you a complete picture kung nasa na yung business mo. And having the right accounting system in place like Xero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books enable you to generate these reports instantly, anytime. Laging available every time kailangan mo sila for decision making. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.